Alright, it's time for the start to finish fixing that. So first up, how we're going to do this, I've got a slide hammer here. I just drilled a hole in there. That's kind of roughly where the impact point is. I'll try to point that up towards it. Just using this thing on the other side to try and just hold the shaft in there. And now we start whacking it out. It's hard work. Alright, I'm going to take the rear bumper off. I need to get in there with a hammer. Alright, I've got the bumper off. The brackets fairly bent. All this damage here, this waviness, was from last time when it hit the rear quarter panel on a wall. So it's still pretty kind of messed up back here. Yeah, so I think when I fix this, just not sure if I should try and cut a section here from the other car down there, and then probably under here somewhere, and I'll try join it around here and I'll straighten that up. Alright, let's keep beating this thing and see where we end up. Got a hydraulic ram as well. I can try if I can't get this shitty thing to do what I want it to do. Oh, it's coming. Have a look at this. You can see right in this corner here, it's pushed in a lot. I'll she can probably get it with a hammer from the back. Try get that out, and that'll fix this up, rather than drill another hole and smash it with that thing. And then I'll just tap that in. Here's me freaking pedal beating doohickey. Hey little man. Careful. You learning? Mm-hmm. Well, how's that? A few extra holes there. But I don't actually need to cut anything out of this rear quarter. I didn't think it was going to come out that straight. It's even got the whole bumper line. It's really good. Have to just weld these holes back up. A few splits. Weld that and then hit that back. And just a little bit of filler, and I'll just leave it at that. Or I might just do what I did over here, which is extremely lazy, and just put some satin black paint on, and then one day when I stop doing burnouts I can maybe just respray the whole car again and make it look pretty, because if I keep doing burnouts it's going to keep happening. So that's a bit of a waste of time trying to make it look pretty and Tokyo drift everything in the bloody thing. One last thing I've got to do, you lower the boot down. I think the boot's changed, it's too close here. I might have to adjust the boot where it was. Let's see if it doesn't look too bad now, but I can pull this in if I need to. It's that side, and that's what it's meant to look like. That's cool. Close the boot. Hang on, one sec. Alright, I got the boot working. Excellent, good line there. Pretty good line there too, so I'm happy with that. Okay, So I just welded up all them cracks and holes and stuff. There's a bit of bog pretty much from here to here over that factory join. I'm just going to put some etch primer on this and some satin black, no bog, and I'm just going to fix another day. Can't even tell. If you guys are wondering why I don't just fix this, it's because I know that it's possible that it's going to happen again, and I just want to work on the ute, so I'm just doing a quick fix. And for me to fix this properly, I've got OCD when it comes to this stuff. I'd have to repaint that whole rear quarter panel because I've got some old damage here, down here, whole rear quarter panel. I've already got a paint join line here, but I hate it, so I'd want to paint the roof, and then I want to do the other rear quarter panel, so that'd be a big job. So I'm just doing this quick fix. I've still got to paint the rear bumper for it. I've got another fiberglass bumper, so I've got to paint that, and yeah, that's it. So I just want to get stuck into the ute up there, so that'll be a big job. And down the track, pretty much when I stop doing burnouts in Mcfry, which I don't know when that'll be, but when I stop doing burnouts on burnout pads, blowing tyres out, then I'll do the car properly, because then I won't need to worry about damage and stuff. Because as you can see, when you blow tyres out, there's lots of damage. It always takes paint off. I hate it, but that's burnouts. So yeah, for now I'm just doing this, and yeah, I will see you later when the next video will be on that thing. So I'll do this video now, and I'm gonna get stuck back into the ute sooner rather than later. Peace out.